thing that ever happened to me. It brought me to you, and I'm thankful for that.
You must do me this honor. Promise me, you will survive. That you won't give up. No matter what happens, no matter how helpless. Promise me now.
ওরা এত কিছু কিভাবে জানে?
Never let go of that promise.
তুমি আসলে একজন মেধাবী ছাত্র।
Thank you.
টাইটানিক সত্যিই ভালো লাগার মতো একটা মুভি। যেভাবে ভালোবাসার ব্যাখ্যা দিয়েছে সেটা আসলে খুবই অসাধারণ। যাই হোক, one may fall in love with many people during the lifetime. When you finally get your own happiness,
You will understand the previous sadness is a kind of treasure which makes you better to hold and cherish the people you love.